We need to talk about this logically, and we're going to try to do this without cursing, without trying to act a fool, and all of that. Right here is my wife's work car. It's a 2023 Nissan Altima. Now, I say all of that to tell you this. Recently, that car got to about 33,000 miles. So it was about time for new tires. So she's down south, down in the great state of Alabama. And she figures that would be the time that we're gonna get some work done. Some of her bosses were down hanging out with her so she could ride with them and just drop her car off. She comes back later on in the day to pick up her 2023 Nissan Altima, and the bill is $1,200 and some odd dollars. I will put the cost up there for you. There. Now we got us a little bit of a background. So let's go over some of the charges here. First of all, the tires, they were like 678 bucks, like $119 a tire with all the disposal fees and all that. I got no beef with that. 600 bucks for a set of tires in this day and age, that's really not that bad. Let's keep going. $64.99 for that air filter. Now here we go, $145.98 for the fuel system flush. Now, this is a recommendation that would have been made. My wife's car was dropped off, so the question wasn't asked. They just felt like it was needed. Since they requested and since they offer that service at 30,000 miles for most vehicles, they went ahead and just assumed the car needed it. Assume, A-S-S-U-M-E. And if you will break that down, assuming makes an ass out of you and me. So anyway, there's $145.98. By the way, this car's getting easily in the high 30s, low 40s on gas mileage. If there is one thing this car does good, it is that. Next, battery replacement. Now, 30,000 miles, the battery's 2 years old. The battery replacement was $286.99. $286.99. Now, batteries are expensive. You can easily spend $150 to $200 on a battery just like that. But 90 bucks to put it in or whatever. Anyway, it was a 2-year-old battery. Apparently, their battery tester said that it should have been there. They didn't ask. They just went in and put it in because it failed the test. It's my wife's work car. Surely they would want her to be safe. I guess that's the way that they thought that should go. Last but not least, $123.99 for the alignment. I got no beef with that. That's whatever. I do want to say one thing. If you're going to put a set of tires on your car, don't cheap out on the alignment. You need that, because if your car's out of aligned, when you take those old tires off and you put your new ones on, those, in this case, $670, $680, $700 for a set of tires. Fast forward 10, 15,000 miles, and it could be time to get new ones because you didn't do the due diligence and do alignment. Now, I'm not really complaining about the maintenance. You have to maintain a car. The point of this video right here is I think that we're all stuck in a different time. Okay, we didn't even do a tune-up here. There was no transmission fluid change. There was no spark plugs done, anything like that. So it's not really a tune-up. This is more of just like just maintenance. I mean, that's all it is. It's just maintenance. We didn't need a tune-up. We didn't do anything. So anyway, ladies, and I say ladies, and I don't mean that disrespectful, they're going to try to take advantage of y'all. And that's really a shame. So if you ever have any questions, I hope there's someone you can call. God, I wish there was. Anyway, good luck out there, because all of them selling cars, buying cars, selling tires, selling oil, selling detail equipment, selling detail supplies. It doesn't matter. Selling freaking retail patio furniture. Everybody's going to get a cut. Everybody's got to get their hand out. Anyway, if you're wanting to know what a 30,000 mile service would be on a Nissan Altima, have a hot lick.